Hello, it has been a long while. I have just made a short video here. I know there are people watching and they love me, and it's not good. I don't wish them Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We anticipate the New Year, God willing, and of course, today is Boxing Day. I don't know if you don't have gifts, what do you unbox? But again, we thank God for the gift of life. Everything is good. Yeah. This is Nyabohansi teacher. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and share, and of course watch my videos. I have a video premiering at 1 p.m. Remember to watch it and also comment and also share, and also remember to recommend. You know what I mean? And of course, I love you all. Happy holidays. Be safe. Do limits. I know there are people that are partyholics, and of course they may end up suffering and having shit life. So kindly do your thing, but with the limitations. Yeah, everything will be better. Nice. Love you all. Bigger.